My name's Connie, and I'm purchasing the Liberty Plan in Tucson Village in Broken Arrow. The best part of my experience with Shaw Homes so far has been just the way you take it step by step. This is what we do first, then you go on to the design pages, and just each step has made it so that it's understandable and you're not getting everything thrown at you at once. In my opinion, what sets Shaw Homes apart from other builders would be what I believe is the quality, and just that they make a house or build a house that is open and bright, has good light coming in, and I actually really love the ceramic tile wood look floors. What would I say if someone was considering building with Shaw Homes? I would say it's a good choice and just go for it.